In this video, remember this? It's the Pajero Junior. It is still here at Whiteland Restorations. It's been parked up for a while. They've been very busy. I've been very busy. We haven't been able to get on with stuff. We're all getting prepared for things like Rustproofing. So Monica had to take precedence. Monica and a Volvo here, looking mean and moody, with Ellie sitting in the sunshine behind and the rain. And I've been working on DS's, our friend Owine's caddy pickup here. Very, very busy. In fact, if I take next door, it's all go in here. They're actually repainting a Mini in a weekend. We got Mark Simpson's Classics is here, and Lewis and Mo frantically sanding to try and get this Mini ready for paint. They're hoping the first paint will be going on the roof tonight. Yes. Tonight's not very far away. No.
The roof is ready.
Oh, there we go, roof's ready. The rest of the room not quite there yet, needs a serious de-dusting. So yeah, go and watch their various channels for updates on this very exciting project. But they've also been busy with the Pajero. Mo has been doing the welding. We found some more welding in the back. Let me see if I can give you some insight. So this area turned out to be rotten and has been repaired by Mo. And I can't really show you more because Mo has also built an exhaust. It's the original back box, but he's had to remake the pipes because everything was just completely rotten. And we've just had a test run, which is the first time it's run since he built the exhaust, and we found a few issues. So yeah, you never know how good your exhaust repair is until you start the engine. Still definitely some issues here for Mo to address, but he's got a bit more time. Once they've finished restoring a Mini in a weekend, we can hopefully tidy up the leaks on the Pajero exhaust, and we can crack on with the mechanical work. So full service, timing belt, water pump, all of that still to come.
You do nice video stuff, and I will get battered to death by your stupid car.
Yes, hello and welcome to a further update. It's a week or so on. We were last here at Easter, and more work has been going on with Project Pajero, but we're now at the schutzing undersealing stage. The schutz is gently warming in front of the heater down there. Miss Hubnut is bravely trying to mask off the rear wheels, and exhaust has been done. The exhaust is now sealed and sounds nice, and yeah, we're getting closer and closer all the time. Still quite a bit of mechanical work to do on Project Pajero, which won't be in this video, I don't think. We've got timing belt, water pump, etc. to do, but yeah, it just feels like we're getting closer all the time. So I'd better go and help with the masking, and then the schutzing can begin with my little schutz expert. Looking very, very stylish here.
Oh yes.
Your plastic bag fell off again.
I know, I'm going to put it back on.
Yeah, plastic bag for the hair, good move. This hat, by the way, incidentally stinks of diff oil because it's leaking out the back. If anyone knows where I can get a seal for this diff, it's the nose seal where it goes in. Do let me know. I'm having great trouble.
I don't know why you're worried about that
one.
when I'm going to be smelling schutz for the next few days.
Yeah, sorry dear.
Yeah.
Miss Hubner is now applying the schutz. Oh yeah, there we go. Lovely black undercoat.
Yeah. I tell you what, it does look nice.
It does look nice, yeah. Right, more of this. Oh yeah, glamorous.
I'm so glamorous.
Yeah.
This is not even the height of it.
Well done, dear. That's a lovely looking job. Look how much better this is looking. It's all uniform.
I love this stuff.
Yeah. Really makes a difference. We haven't put it on absolutely everything, so that cross member there we decided not to shut.
Yeah, there's certain things that have working mechanisms by them, and we just thought, do you know what, let's not, because it's not an exact science doing the shuts in. So we will alpha land that. The alpha land's going to cover all of it anyway. Yeah,
that is the next plan, is Alpha Lands, which is one of these lanolin-based anti-corrosion products. From the good folks at Bulldog BDX. Indeed, Bulldog BDX over in Northern Ireland, and we can go in through all these holes once the schutz is dry. Yeah, because it comes with a funky little nozzle that you put in here, and you very carefully
restore it back.
Yeah, you love doing the psh.
I do love doing the psh.
So that is the next stage. Just got to let this dry now. Right, we're back for a second day here at Whiteland Restoration, and we are applying the Alpha Lan. It comes with various things. You can just get a regular spray nozzle, or you've got this red one, which let's have a look at the can. Alpha Lan. So this red nozzle just gives you a nice narrow sort of a spray, really. So it is high concentrated lanolin. So it comes from.
But it doesn't smell.
It doesn't smell. It comes from sheep wool. Wearing a mask just because it's an aerosol, and you don't really want to be breathing in a fine mist of, well, anything really. But it goes on really nicely, gives good coverage, and is safe on pretty much everything on the underside of a car. So whereas we had to mask everything off for the shuts under seal, which you don't really want getting anywhere it shouldn't be. So this is our shuts layer. This Alpha Lan can go pretty much on anything and everything. And I just think we're probably going to use 2 or 3 cans today.
It gives a nice spread with this.
It does do a nice spread, yeah. And it's also got a long lance attachment. Let me see if I can find that. So the lance attachment, so you can get deep down through these handy access holes for the to hold the sill in. You can yeah, get that sort of depth all the way down the box sections. So yeah, should do a good job of protecting it. It certainly seems to have been doing the job on Chemmy the Charade.
Yeah, I mean this is great because there's a panel here and you get tucked right behind that.
Yeah, good access. So good stuff. Now it's a fluid film sort of a technology really. I think it's good for what, 18 months?
Yeah, 12 to 18 months. 12
to 18 months, so it's something you need to apply every year really. But
it's a quick process.
Yeah, it's a quick process, easy to do. A lot easier if you've got friends with a ramp of course, but given the height of this car you could do it fairly comfortably just on the ground. So yeah, should do the job. So this comes from the same people who make Bulldog BDX, MDS Europe. They're based in Northern Ireland. They are lovely people and we very much like their products. And we have actually purchased this stuff. They did give us a freebie for the Charade, which was very, very generous of them. But we liked it so much, we bought some.
A lot.
A lot. We then refitted the rear bumper and the offside wheel extension thing and completely failed to record any of it. So here we are with a Pajero. It looks like a Pajero again. Skip forward a lot. Well, it is quite accidentally several months later, and the poor little Pajero Junior is still sat here with one very flat tyre and one soon to follow. So we're going to have to get the airline on and get those pumped up. But today is the day. Tim from Cambrian Classics is coming down. We are going to drag the Pajero up to the unit. The start of having way too many cars in the unit. The plan was to drag it up with the Shogun that lives here, but the Shogun had other ideas. So we're going to use a Volvo. So here we go. This will change the look of things considerably. 4 new tyres needed, and we need to do some wheel refurbing as well. Look at that.
Air suspension.
Yeah.
50 or 100 psi?
Oh, let's just go for 50, I think, yeah. I don't want to go too far. God, 100 would be risky, I think.
Do you remember that old Moggy that the farmer had pumped his 50-year-old tyres up to 50 psi for us?
Yikes.
They exploded.
Oh, that sounds like a car trailer. Your lift has arrived, little Pajero. Oh, we got power. Never starts first time. Never. There we go. Because unserviced for forever.
Oh, I was hoping he was going to take down that pallet.
She definitely starts getting hunches with that pallet.
Yeah.
Bit of momentum. How's that?
Yeah, fine.
Beautiful. And here she comes. The Pajero Junior lives. We've even got some working headlights. Letting Tim have his first drive, I imagine, in a Pajero Junior. Now all we got to do is work out where the hell it goes in the unit. Help. And there we go. The Pajero is in the unit amongst all the detritus of my life. It is so nice to finally have it here. So huge thanks to Lewis Leanne at Whiteland Restorations, where this car has been resident for rather too long. Bit of a driveway ornament. Huge thanks to Mo, the apprentice at Whiteland, who did much of the welding and fabrication on this car. And yeah, we are super grateful for all that work that was done and paid for, but at a very reasonable cost. We appreciate that very much. And then we've got Tim to thank for bringing it here today. He's taken time out of his busy schedule to do us a favour. We really appreciate that as well. Thank you, Tim, Cambrian Classics Limited. But yeah, we will be cracking on as and when, but there's still quite a lot to do. Timing belt, water pump, etc. We've got to do some exhaust fettling. There's a few issues with the fitment that weren't apparent before we started refitting the bodywork. And give it a good service, good going over, and then hopefully we can get it out for a bit of a play on the lanes before we say goodbye. But to celebrate the fact that the Pajero is here, we have a new t-shirt design. It features the Pajero, the Canary and the Smart. It is the class of 2024. It's our favourite little cars of this year. Even though the Smart has now gone to a new home, should be at Rustival though, looking forward to seeing it again. It left a bit of an impression on us, so it is part of this new design. So head to the Hubnut store and you can buy shirts of this design. But yeah, it's probably gonna have to wait because we've got other things to do. The Canary desperately needs a timing belt. We're going to do that job ourselves. The Subaru needs a timing belt. We probably won't. Car with full history, why would I ruin it? Yeah, there's a lot to do, and the Bilingo's coming back today as well. Where are we going to put all the cars, people? Where are we going to put all the cars? It's becoming mildly problematic. But yeah, huge thanks for tuning in. Sorry the Pajero has taken quite so long to do, and sorry Ellie still hasn't got her new engine. We will get there. We just, yeah, there's an awful lot to do. But it's good to be busy. So thank you for watching, and we shall see you in a future video. Farewell. It's here.